Today I am going to explain about Laravel default login and registration. Firstly, I go to the migration and users table. In here, I add another column called role, and after that, I am going to comment here. 0 means you admin and 1 means user. Then I'm also adding default value as 1. That means user. After that, in seeds database seeder, I uncomment this and also I duplicate this and add other database seeder, students database seed. Re-adding all database seeds. Database seeds means dummy data or default data when database is created. After I change something in database seeder, I'm adding, I will code this. After update some in database seeder, I write this code, that is composer dump autoload. It is successfully reconnect the connections. Then I will run migrate refresh. That means PHP artisan migrate refresh with seeds with seed. Here there is something. Here there is no seeds like users table seeder. Then I comment that, and after that I run PHP artisan migrate refresh seed. All are fine. Migrations and seeders are refreshed. After all, I am going to generate a default Laravel login blades, because in here resources views there is no login and register blades. For that I run, for this Laravel auth I need some PHP packages regarding Laravel. For that I write composer require Laravel UI and then this code composer require Laravel UI 1.0 dev. After get that PHP library, I write PHP artisan UI view and auth. After that, under views there is auth that will become. Then in here I can go localhost Laravel tutorial public. Then this is our view, that this is our welcome. This is our welcome. Then if I add slash register, I can get fields for registration. In here, Laravel basic database, there is users. Users table has name, email, email verifier, password, we created role, and also remember token. Here we can add something here. I can add name and email, and also I can add password and register. Here there is the password must be at least 8 characters. Then I give a password and register. Then this is the login. After login, this is the dashboard. Okay, in here I can select logout and logout, and also login, and I can add my email and also my password. Then I can be login. You can go login and add the wrong email and password. Then these credentials do not match our records. That will come. In here, if I go to the users table, my row is my user role is added. Here role is one user because I add default as 1. Then this is the inbuilt Laravel login. Here we can go login. We can do changes or login. Then I can add something here. Just like this. This is student management system or something, and I save, and then this will receive. Then we can add CSS other things inside this and decorate this. This is the registration. In here there is layouts and app. That is the dashboard, inbuilt dashboard. We can see it here. This is for guest. This is for guest. Inside guest. This is for if something login. This code. This will show if something login. Then I can add something here. It's like this. Just like this. Okay, I will explain this blade templates, update blade templates in future. This is the Laravel inbuilt login. I explain here login, that is this. I explain the register, it is this. If something login, dashboard. That's it. I hope you will learn default Laravel registration. Thank you.